Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Yesterday was a really good day. Shipping features, prepping for a workshop on Monday. It was really good. In the morning, I've actually been doing this for several years, doing the meditation, journaling, reading. I feel like this is a great way to get started off on the day and get really aligned to the mission. I use Insight Timer, which is a really great app for that. And it's a really good transition as well because it gets me right from aligning on my vision and mission and then going right into a deep block of work. So then the second section of the day yesterday was all about building. And I was actually on the train yesterday, which makes it a little bit harder to build, but I kept great momentum and got locked in. One of the interesting things that I did that I'm really proud of is that I actually used Claude to do this shortcut for timer. So basically now, like if I just do a quick keyboard shortcut, it sets a time duration, which is pretty cool. And now a lot of my tasks, I just quickly set a time and I just try to get that task done within that time so the time doesn't kind of leak away in a day. I'm building an iOS app right now for myself just to track my visions and mission and kind of engineer my life. And I have a dream board feature, which has photos in the app. So I've been working on that as well, which has been pretty cool. Another thing, I actually recently just accepted an offer to join a startup April 13th. It's called Octas, and I'll be speaking more about it in future, but they are looking for forward deployed engineers. I'm not a forward deployed engineer, but I have some friends who are good AI engineers, and so I was doing a bunch of reach out. I think I reached out to like 20 people, so excited to have those meetings with those people. Lots of flights coming up in April for work, so just getting that all set up. Another thing too is the Hyrox session. Hyrox was really good in the afternoon. I did 8 repetitions of 1,200 meters, which is 3 laps around the track. And I felt really good. I'm a bit sore this morning, but yeah, just trying to get faster on the track because the Hyrox coming up May 15th is going to be really important. And so yeah, just building up the Hyrox training, trying to get a little bit more dialed in into the measurement of my workouts, which I'm really excited about. I am trying to make the World Championships in June. So it's just about locking in for the next 6 weeks and getting really good with the fitness as well as the business and starting this new job. So it's going to be a really high energy next couple of months. Just really excited for it. Feels like a great part of my journey. A lot of things coming up. I am also giving a Claude for Business workshop, not this Monday, but the following Monday. So I will be sharing the link to everyone. If you're interested in continuing to follow along with the journey, please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.